today is the 12th of February and today is our farewell and 5 दिन बाद boards है. I don't know why am I saying it so excitedly because there's nothing exciting about it, but yeah, because there's no other option. Like farewell में कौन नहीं जाता? It's not our problem, but we'll go for just 2 hours probably. It's 11:15 right now. The program starts at 11:30, but I'll go there at 12. So yeah. What this because मैंने try किया था hitless curls करने का, मुझे YouTube shorts से बहुत inspiration मिला, so I tried and it looks like this. I don't know उन लोगों का ऐसे रहता कैसे है. I have just no clue. I put this on yesterday night and it looks like this now. I don't know कैसा होगा. I don't think so it will work because I tried it earlier as well and it did not work out that way. So I tried it in a different way with मेरी मम्मी का चुन्नी, but I don't think that this is also going to work. So let's see. Already done with my skincare. After taking a shower, I did my skincare and now I'll be starting off with concealer. चश्मा खोलने से I cannot see anything. So here's my mirror. I'll go look there again and again. So I hope you don't mind. क्योंकि मुझे अभी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. After applying color corrector underneath my eyes. So yeah, it's going to be a very messed up get ready with me because I am clearly not able to see anything. That's not my problem. एक तो I'm running so late, ऊपर से I'm doing everything so slowly. Getting ready like this after ages. पता नहीं मैंने कितना लगाया है. Okay, I'm just applying by guessing it. This is a setting spray. I'll just blend everything with this. See, the concealer which I use is of Swiss Beauty. It is very good. I mean, it is at a very cheap rate and it is very nice. It is not sponsored, of course. I'm not sponsoring anybody because I did not get a sponsor. Yeah, I'm done with my concealer. I think now I'll be setting up my face because I don't wanna put oh wait, I have this mirror. But इसमें कुछ दिखता नहीं है ना, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. Also apparently it is said that eye makeup is done before everything so that कुछ अगर गिर जाए so that you can fix that up with a concealer or foundation, but I don't do it that way because I don't know why. I prefer doing eye makeup at the later part, so I'll be doing that now. I want to get a little smoky eye kind of an effect. So yeah, let's do that. I hope I can do it and I don't ruin my eyes. The two of my brushes and this is my palette. I'm going to use this. It does not have any black color but it's fine. I'm just going to use the darker shade of brown color and I think it will work. Yeah. Wait, no, I have kajal. I'll use that. Wait, I don't think I'll be doing this in front of here because मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. I'll be using my mirror, so I'll have to pause the video and then only I can show how does it look like. I cannot show you how have I done. Okay, this is the most I could do. It looks good like this. I don't know, is it looking bad on the camera because मुझे भी नहीं दिख रहा. This has been my life savior. Okay, like I've been using this for the past. This is the 3rd year. I think it also got expired and I need to throw it, but I don't throw it because ये बहुत अच्छा print है. It's from Earth Rhythm. I got this on my birthday. My friend gifted me and it is the best. I'm like, you can see the condition is also not good because I carry it everywhere. Before applying something on my lips, I'll be having something. I will eat something. So yeah, my half makeup is done. It's already 11:40. That's great. All done with my makeup. It's 12:05. Okay, I'm running very late. I need to open up my hair. जो मैं जिस तरीके से मेरा बांधा है, I don't think so ये open हो भी पाएगा. मैंने तो पता नहीं कैसे बांधा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I just hope ये open हो जाए. कर्ल कुछ हुआ है? हुआ है. Very big fan of curls because I don't have one, right? So I just love when my hair gets curled up because I never get to curl my hair. It's only during the weddings and all. Just have to understand my feeling here. It's gonna be great, guys. पता चला वहाँ पे आधा फंक्शन खत्म हो गया and I'm just here messing around with my hair. I'll use some oil because I don't use serum. This is a very lightweight oil because for my hair lightweight oil is good. So I'm using tiny drops. You cannot see. Let's see. And yeah, I'm done. Wait. It's time for some perfume. I'm not a big fan of perfumes and all, so जो भी मिलता है मैं लगा लेती हूँ. I don't know. I have rings though. I'll wear them. Minimal rings. Have a look.
I look at myself in the mirror, so the same guy in the same old shoes. So feel the same since September, but my body's out of tune. Lost the innocence I had back then. I was naive and hopeful, as some friends over the years come and go. 'Cause mine has grown old, and I know I should be happy, and I know I wanna pause this life like a movie scene for a moment at least. The things that I will repeat.
रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सौंदे सौंदे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना मुझको रंग दे.
I want and I know is a goal. I wanna pause this life like a movie scene for a moment at least. The things that I will repeat. If I don't and I won't and I know is a goal. Maybe I'm growing on a pause this life. I wanna feel alive, go around in circles yet another day. Time will come, I adore you. Rest is nice without a single break. I got a pain in my chest, feeling all of the stress. This pain feeling worse and worse. The reminder the stress to burst. Hear this feeling, it goes on and on. I know